Hello guys, so in this video we are looking at one small setup of real-time simulation. Okay, there is one PC and one real-time simulator and two monitor is connected. This PC and this real-time simulator is connected through one cable, that white color one you can see here. Okay, I think you can see it clearly. This portion is called host. Okay, host part of this portion is called host part. Okay, this part where your RT-Lab software and means Opel RT-Lab software and the MATLAB will be installed. That system is called host system, and the other system is called target system. Okay, this red circle one is target system. Okay, this one is target system and this one is host system. These two is connected through this red white color cable. This video is just simple just one small view of how it is look like and how it is connected. This white color is on Ethernet. Through this Ethernet, this two system means the host system, the host PC is connected with the real-time simulator Opel RT. Okay, this monitor maybe only the first time you need, other than you don't have any use of this monitor. Okay, here it will show you the connections, the IP address. Okay, and this model, look, this host means left side one, this host system monitor, this model is automatically generated after building the model in the Opel RT. Okay, this simulator can be connected to multiple system at same time through the cable. Okay, through the cable. So that's it guys. Only it is just a small view of how the real-time simulator can be, and here no hardware is connected. Okay, hardware can be connected also. So thank you, bye.